these findings you are getting?
This rescue operation has been on since yesterday 2:30 p.m. and we've been successful in rescuing 14 persons out of 23 persons. And all 14 persons have been sent to hospitals. Their health is absolutely fine. The rest 9 people, which from yesterday morning we were trying to locate. So today morning, the rescue team has located one person. They have rescued him. He is found in very serious condition, so he has been sent to ICM hospital. The rest 8 people, there are 2 people have been traced. Their location has been traced. NDRF is trying to find out and rescue them. And rest other 6 people are yet to be located. The rescue operation is very delicate because the entire building has collapsed and the structure is very weak. So even if a small movement in the building, a small movement in the column or the beam will actually lead to entire building again collapsing. So we do not want to risk the lives of rescue team. So rescue team is doing it very carefully, very delicately, and we are hopeful that we'll be able to recover, we will be able to rescue all those 6 persons also. It is taking time because there's a lot of garbage that has come inside and manually it has to be removed. It is becoming very slippery inside. It is becoming very suffocating inside. That is why it is taking time.
So have you ordered the inquiry in the whole investigation?
See, we are still in the process of just rescue operation. So after all this rescue operation is done, we will sit together, all the mayor and standing committee chairman, all the office bearers, corporation officers, and then we'll decide about it.
Do you think human error is the cause of this incident?
Not at all. It's a absolutely natural calamity.
Because question has been raised because it is being built near the landfill of...
No, it was 30 meters away from landfill. 30 meters away from landfill. There are buildings, if you see, many buildings are very close to landfills also in other places. This was 30 meters away from landfill. So there is no human error, it's a natural calamity.